Day 1 of the 2025 India Open kicked off with a decent crowd turnout despite the Delhi cold. The highlight of the day for the Indian fans was of course an exciting win for India's Satwik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty. In the men's doubles round of 32 match, they battled Malaysia's Man Wee Chong and Kai Woon Tee. After winning the first game 23-21 and losing the second 19-21, they came back strong to win the deciding third game 21-16. This is what they had to say about the hard-fought first game and what Tan Kim Her was communicating to them.
Easy first round, typical first round fixtures. You had to fight really hard for it. Just talk to us about the ebbs and flows of the match. It went one way and the other.
I think they have always been a formidable team. I think we've had some really good matches against them. Although the earlier ones were not that tough, but this time they did really defend quite well. Like I think it was very difficult to penetrate their defense, and I think even their service receiving was quite good, unlike the previous times we've played, and they've definitely improved. And I think happy that we could come back, regroup in the third game, and get that win.
At 14-16 now, the point where you were on the ground, it could have easily gone their way. It could have been 15-16, but talk to us about that point, and you were defending quite well today.
Definitely. I think those points can go either way, but happy that we got that point. It was definitely a crucial point. Although we led 16-11, we let them, like I said, they've been serving quite well, but happy that it went out.
Yeah, he was telling focus on yourself, don't think so much, and believe on yourself. Don't take you're playing really well, and just here and there, just matter of 2-3 points. So he's been always positive coach when we started through. Even though we lost the second game, he came and told you played really well. You guys are playing really well. It's just matter of 1 point, and that gave us a lot of confidence. Then we came back again in the third game.
We wanted to start well. I think we kept telling ourselves we need to start well, but I think a few points, I think we missed it, probably 1 or 2 points, but their service was quite well. But I think
next, PV Sindhu made a successful return to action in the women's singles. She comfortably defeated Taiwan's Xu Yun-sung, winning 21-14, 22-20. The former world champion looked sharp and comfortable throughout the match. Take a listen into what she had to say about returning back to action after a month-long break and her dynamic with newly appointed singles coach Irwan Shah.
20 all or 18, 17, 18 all and 19 all, I think that's when the game is very important, and it was very intense. She was also making sure that, she plays everything into the court, and they were long rallies, and for me also it was important, to attack, because she was also trying to keep the shuttle down, not giving me to attack. So I think the game that way became faster, and I think after 20 all it was anybody's game. So for me, I wanted to, make sure I attack and then let's carry on to the next. Every point, it's fine, it doesn't matter. It's the first game after I think almost 1 month, and he was like, just play easy, just be very patient, you will get it. That's what he said. There was no much of a strategy per se, because I was already playing well. It was just that simple errors or my strokes were going to the mid-court, that is all.
Sindhu, tell me something about the camaraderie with the Irwan sir.
We just started training together, and I think it's very important. The bond is very important between a coach and a player. So, I mean, it will definitely take time to understand, what he's thinking or what I'm thinking, and accordingly he needs to give me the input from outside. So, I mean, it is taking time, definitely, yes, but I think it's going on well. Good start for the season, I would say, for the year.
Sindhu,
Good. I mean, we've trained, I think, for 1.5 weeks, max to max. We didn't get much time, and I think apart from that, there were lots of ups and downs last year, but I think I ended off with a good win, and I think that gave me the confidence, and I feel it's just a matter of time and rhythm, and I am getting back there, so I think it should be good. I mean, obviously it doesn't matter, if you win or lose. It's very important that you give your 100% at the end of the day. If you work hard, definitely you will get success and wins.
Sindhu, the last few points.
Few errors started to creep in. Did you think it carried out in the next game?
But there was disappointment for Indian fans as India's women's doubles pair, Triza Jolly and Gayatri Gopichand Pulela, made an early exit. Despite their high ranking and strong season so far, they lost to Japan's Arisa Igarashi and Ayako Sakuramoto, 21-23, 19-21 in their first round match. After losing the game, this is what they had to say about bouncing back in future tournaments.
With the Japan players, but how do you see it?
I think, yeah, as he said, we are a little bit disappointed about the match, what happened here, and we couldn't be in the second round. And obviously, yeah, there is a few errors that happened from my side, and I would have just be careful about those things. And yeah, it's all learnings, I would say.
कंफर्टेबल हिंदी काफ़ी क्लोज फाइट रही काफ़ी क्लोज फाइट रही कहाँ पे चूक हो गई
वो 17-12 हम लीड कर रहा था, उधर से थोड़ा सा ऐसे कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही मिस्टेक किया हम लोग, एंड उधर से थोड़ा रिदम ऐसे ही कि थोड़ा वो लोग आगे आ गया, फिर वो लोग ही गेम पॉइंट किया है। वो टाइम पे थोड़ा फोकस रहना था और थोड़ा क्या करना था उस टाइम, थोड़ा ऐसे डाउटफुल खेला है।
Gayatri, last year as well, similar fate, but the journey's been quite positive. Your thoughts on that?
I think last year was amazing, and starting off with Malaysia Open was good. I think we played some good matches. And yeah, I think it keeps happening, wins and loses, but yeah, we'll come back stronger.
It was a day of highs and lows at the Indian Open with strong performances from Satwik Sairaj, Chirag and Sindhu, while Triza and Gayatri will be looking to bounce back in the future tournaments. The action is just getting started and the next few days promise to deliver even more excitement. So stay tuned to Ref Sports. We'll be back soon with more ground updates.